Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. First of all, we have to download the installer file. To download the installer file, just open a browser and search for VLC Media Player. Let me tell you that VLC Media Player is one of the popular media player out there. It is free and open source. You can use VLC Media Player to play any video format. You can play 2K, 4K, 3D video using VLC Media Player. Now let me show you how you can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. For that, open the link from VideoLAN.org. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. Here we have download VLC option. Simply click on this arrow icon and from the drop down menu, select Windows 64-bit. It will automatically download VLC Media Player installer file. Here you can see. If your download doesn't start automatically, then you can simply click on this link. Now to install, just open this installer file. Let me minimize the browser. Here first of all you have to select your language, then click on OK. Here we have welcome to VLC Media Player setup window. Simply click on next. Read the license agreement, then click on next. And from the installation type drop down menu, select full, then click on next. This is the default location where VLC Media Player is going to install. If you have a good reason to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. Our installation process has been completed. Now let me run this VLC Media Player. Here simply allow network access. Because using VLC Media Player, you can also play online videos. You just need to paste that video URL to VLC Media Player. I'll show you how you can do that. So this is the interface of VLC Media Player. Here we have media option, playback, audio, video, subtitle, tools, view and help option. Let me show you how you can play online video using VLC Media Player. Say for example, you want to play this video. You just need to copy that URL, then go to media. Here you will find open network stream. And here just paste that video URL, then click on play. Here you can see it is directly playing the video. We don't need to download that video on our system. It will directly stream the video. This way you can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.